Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to do something on Android, on the Mac OS so basically with Edge Windows, you cannot, with Windows you can just plug in an Android phone like this one into your computer and it just works and you can basically transfer stuff to it. Mac OS it's a little different. So let me show you by going into the desktop. So first you have to go to the online to Google, type in Android file transfer, its first link, download it, drag and drop it into your apps folder. Okay, and this is depending on your phone. You have to then basically open your phone, go to basically your actual about this phone, go to your devices, and then once you go to your devices, you basically click on the build number 5 times, and then you will get in developer mode. Then in developer mode, you have to activate the allow USB debugging mode, and also you have to allow MTP. This is with my phone I have to do, but with your phone you might not have to do that. So it will be allowed for, because this is a Samsung phone, you have to also enable transfer file to you have to enable transfer files to here and control by other device. And so when you do that, you have to go to your phone and turn it on. And once you turn it on, you take your USB cable like so. After signing in, this is what Samsung specifically I'm going to show you. You sign in, plug in your phone. For my phone, it'll ask me for permission. Then it will open. It's saying you can't access device storage. That's because of I can't enable MTP on this device for some reason without it wigging out. And when I do enable it, because it's not in developer mode, which it should be in there. In developer options, it's not there. So I press allow this device. It clicks it, and then it will reopen it on the computer. So, and the folder will stay open. I don't know how to actually fix that just yet. You actually can close it, and then you can open app, and you'll just see actually the folder, and you'll see what's on your Android folder. For example, it shows everything that's on the folder, and yeah, and it shows everything that's here. And then if you go to the SD card, it shows everything on the SD card, because it shows the SD card and internal storage. So, and then you close it, and then you can just unplug your device because there's no need to eject it, because there's no eject tool. And then in order to get this to actually work properly, you then go to your desktop, you go to here, and then you basically have this app start with actually, oh, not here. You go to system preferences, then you go to users and users group, login, and it should be right here where it should boot up with it. Because normally with like the older version of the software, you had to basically add it here, but they fixed that eventually. So yeah, um, but you have to make sure you have to be running 10.7 at least. The older versions are on Internet Archive. You can find those there, but this is for Montreal. Montreal, whatever it's called. Can't remember the name. So don't look at name. So yeah, you That's all you need to like do to get Android working, your Android phone working on on Mac OS. But if you want it to be even simpler, you can just buy an iPhone and then just connect it that way. It'll be literally plug and play that way versus because if you're installing an iPhone onto a PC, you have to, in order to transfer data properly, you have to get iTunes, and with Android on PC, it just works. Versus the other way, it's the other way around with actual Mac. With Mac, it just works, and with the Android, you have to install the third-party plugin that I showed you to get that to work. So if you're using Android, that's just a simple fix to like get Mac OS working. The reason I need Android to work, the reason I actually need my Android phone working on here is because I take some video on my phone and I need to transfer it. So, and it was taking too long over the network because these were like really big. Actually, they weren't really big files, they were really small files, or multiple small files that I had to like transfer, like 3,000 files, and I had to transfer them. And right now they're still transferring to my NAS, and it would be faster just to, it would have been faster just to plug it into this computer, transfer them to the NAS that way, because it's wired. And for some reason I can't I don't have an extra Ethernet cable I can just plug into here and then transfer it to my NAS that way, after plugging it in. So yeah, that's all you need to know. So if you don't want to transfer it to your NAS directly, and you don't want to basically just hook it to a Windows machine, and or your main computer is a Mac and you don't have a Windows machine, and or you don't have a Ethernet cable and USB-C adapter to USB, and then an Ethernet to USB so you can plug that in. I have two of those things. I don't have an extra Ethernet cable. I've got rid of a lot of them. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.